Ka Sports Authority of India lang Training Center Shillong mentagasi ke pelong ke program ban Ithuh ya kiriu don sap apo ka Khelo India Rising Talent Han kerti Mai Bharat hasai nehu Shillong Palat sanspa apunyo Ngut ki Samla na Kylleng ki Bynta Jong ke jela Meghalaya ke lawan Iashim Bynta ha ke program ke berkentup ya ke jengile kai sport ka jengile kura bat ke football UTS Chavan ubadai Assistant Director ke SAI STC Shillong Ula ong bakane ke program ke day ke sinjam jong tenat sports and youth affairs ban Ithuh iki Samla ki badon ke sap ke pong kenang ban la ban ai haki ya ka jeng hikai ke bapaka la ki day makna na kino ki jeng ile kai sport ba ban ai lat yaki ban yo mi khmat na ke Bynta ke India she ke jeng ile kai ha ke perthai
This program has been initiated by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to identify the right talent and provide them the opportunity to grow in this sport ecosystem that we are trying to build in India. So these kids, we are trying to identify the basic skill set, young kids, so they can be groomed in this ecosystem and provided the right facilities so that they can perform at the international stage.